Oh yeah. All right. We are doing Mexican street corn. I've already, took my corn off the cob. This is a quick, easy way to do it without the grill. Now we want it to char, and I do have avocado oil in there. Wow, it's good for you. All right. We're gonna throw just a dab of pepper in there because we're gonna spice it up. All right. A little salt. Salt to taste, guys. Remember, you can always, what do I say? You can always add it, but you can't take it out. All right. So while this corn's charring, we're gonna go ahead and get the ingredients that we're going to use here in the bowl. Some fresh cilantro. We're going to chop it up. About a half a cup's worth. We don't have a lot of corn there. All right. Into the bowl goes our cilantro. And we're going to use some chives. You're more welcome to use green onions, guys. Dice it small. Alright, that's all we need for that. Should be good. We don't need the stem. Alright. Chives gonna give it a nice little kick. And we're gonna go with some chilies. I wonder, here. Let's go ahead and dice these up a little bit, guys. Because it's rather large. I don't want large chunks. Alright, but let me finish dicing these up and I'll be right back. While our corn is charring up, we get all our ingredients in the bowl. I'm going to use a teaspoon of chili powder. I'm going to throw in about a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're going to throw in just a few chili flakes for my lovely daughter Jacqueline, who's actually on the camera for us tonight. Two tablespoons of mayo. Preferably real mayo. A lot of you prefer Dukes, but I haven't been able to find that in the store. I'm going to microplane some garlic. About a clove right in there. Oh yeah, love that garlic. Well, it might just work a little better from this end. Oh yeah. And we're gonna throw in about a tablespoon of lime juice. And I'm going to throw in 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I like that little extra kick. Alright, our ingredients are in the bowl. We're just waiting on our corn to char up. As you can see, it's starting to char up now. Wouldn't be Mexican corn if it didn't have some char on it, right? You want to do that on medium high heat, guys. That was roughly, I got all that corn out of about 5 years. All right. And you want to serve this stuff immediately, guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get all our ingredients mixed up. And we're gonna top it off with our queso fresco because, you know, I couldn't find any cojita cheese. But let me finish mixing this up. I'll be right back. And we get her all mixed up. We're gonna throw our crumbled cheese in there while the corn is still hot, guys. All right. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, this is easy, and it is definitely tasty. Look at all that fresh cilantro. And guys, you can alter the recipe with anything you would like. Alright, but this is Mexican street corn without the cob. And don't forget, check out our other videos as well. Alright. But until next time, God bless, and thanks for being with us on another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Hey guys, we are going to show you how to take corn off the cob. You can use a serrated knife or your regular chef knife. Get yourself a bunt pan. No use in wrestling with a bowl. Oh, look at that. Because, you know, some folks, you know, they just can't really eat corn off the cob. So here's a nice little trick for you. And it fits right in there perfect.